assisting someone to sit on the side of the bed. Step 1. Remove all bedding safely out of the way and assist the person to roll onto their side. Step 2. Move the person's legs off of the bed. Hot tip. You can continue to support the person with one hand and remove their legs with the other. Remember to stay close to make sure that they don't roll out of the bed. Step 3. Place your hands under the bottom shoulder and on the top shoulder. Step 4. Ask the person to push up from the bed using their hand and elbow. Step 5. Assist the person to sit up on the side of the bed. Hot tip. Ensure the person's feet are flat on the floor and sit with them until they get their balance.